Canon EOS R100. Get ready to capture your moments in style with the Canon EOS R100, a mirrorless camera bundled with 18 to 45mm lens kit to allow you to capture everything with ease. This camera brings you Canon's smallest and lightest R system mirrorless technology, so it becomes a great choice for vloggers and photography beginners. Now capture stunning details and colors. The Canon EOS R100 features a dual pixel APS-C CMOS sensor that delivers exceptional image quality and clarity. Capture fast-moving subjects flawlessly. With a burst mode of 6.5 shots per second, the EOS R100 ensures you never miss a moment. Enjoy the best of both worlds. The 24.0 megapixel sensor lets you capture sharp stills, while you can shoot videos in 4K at 25 fps, Full HD at 60 fps and HD at 120 fps for those dramatic slow motion shots. Say goodbye to low light worries. The EOS R100 offers a max ISO of 12,800 for stills, ISO 6400 for 4K videos and ISO 12,800 for Full HD and HD videos, ensuring clear and noise-free results. Capture a sequence of moments without interruption. The camera's buffer rate ensures that you can shoot continuously without missing the action. Focus on what matters. The dual pixel CMOS autofocus system provides fast, accurate and smooth autofocus, making sure your subjects are always sharp. Experience comfort and control with a professional touch. The EOS R100 is Canon's smallest and lightest camera in the EOS R series, weighing just 356 grams, but it delivers the feel of a professional body with the convenience for everyone. Now do photography worry-free, as the EOS R100 comes with a 2-year warranty. That sums our exploration of the Canon EOS R100. Canon EOS R100 comes with 18 to 45mm lens, brings you Canon's smallest and lightest R system mirrorless technology, dual pixel APS-C CMOS sensor, shoots at 30 fps frame rate, ISO range of 100 to 12,800 for different modes, burst mode of 6.5 seconds per shot, 2 years warranty. Get ready to embark on a photography journey like never before and grab yours at Amazon.
Hi there guys, this is me Korak and today we are going to talk about the Canon digital camera EOS R100 kit. This camera is perfect for anyone looking to take stunning photos and videos. It has a full-frame APS-C CMOS sensor with 24.1 megapixel resolution, allowing you to take brilliant photos that can be printed in large sizes or cropped for more detailed shots. It also has a Digic 8 image processor, which is important for speed and accuracy of autofocus and burst photography. The EOS R100 also has full HD video with fully manual control and selectable frame rates, giving you the freedom to express your creativity. It also has USB Type-C external microphone in terminal, HDMI micro and remote control terminal accessory shoe for easy connectivity. The lightweight EOS R100 is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and powerful camera. So guys, if you're looking for a great camera, then check out the Canon digital camera EOS R100 kit today.